Hi guys, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
Welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. We thank you guys so much for joining us. And if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe.
Today we're going to show you a French knot braid inspired by cute girls' hairstyles. So let's get started.
You're going to want to have the hair wet because it works much better when it's wet. I also put a little bit of gel, and anything I mention in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You're going to take a small section up on top, and you want to split it in half and create a knot like you're tying a shoelace. Now you're going to just take a section from the left side and join it to the left strand. Alright, so now you want to pay attention to this spot here. So the left strand, I'm going to bring over the right strand, okay, like this. So what you want to do is take your two fingers, bring it through this little hole here, right under, twist it, and see this strand here? Grab it and then pull through. And if you see this side here where it's going in to this loop, you can just tighten it up. Okay, now you're going to take a section here and join it in with the right strand. Okay, so now take your fingers here and hold on to it like this. Take your pinchers, and between these two strands, you're going to go under and then twist this strand over and grab that strand here. Okay? There. Tie it tight. Remember, if it's not tight, see this strand here going through this loop? Just push right down. Make it tight. Got it? Okay, again, I'll show you one more time. It's all repeating down from here. Again, take a section from the side, add it to the left strand, smooth it out, hold it between your two fingers here, this strand here, between these two fingers. Take your pinchers, go in between these two strands, right underneath. Okay, twist and grab this here and tighten. And that's all repeating going down. So a section here, add it to the right strand, smooth it out, take your two fingers, go underneath between these two with your pinchers, twist and grab this strand and tighten. See how it's forming these knots? That's all there is to it. Okay, on my last one, I'm going to take this whole entire strand down here and grab it and put it on the left side and continue my knot. You can stop right here, or you can go ahead and continue down. I'm going to go ahead and continue down. Underneath on my right hand, bring over and continue. My left hand, go over, under, and over, and pull. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here, secure it off from the elastic band. Before I finish this, I'm going to pull this halfway through just like this. And leave this down and have it like spiked out. So if you don't like the way this goes, you could always put a bobby pin right underneath it. Tug and pull the knots out just to make it a little bit fuller. And a little hairspray. And there you have it. Okay, let's do a final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you find value in this tutorial.
If there's a style that you'd like us to recreate, leave a comment down below.
To check out more of our tutorials, click on over there and there.
And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye guys!
Bye. God bless.